Is this an introduction to me? I feel like that's late. Like I've had like 5 videos up already. Like why would I just be introducing myself now? I don't know what I'm talking about. Just talking to talk. Hi! Long time no see. I have a habit of grabbing my boobs when I talk. I don't know why. It's really annoying and I might cut that part out. I don't really know. Anyway, it's 4 a.m. right now. Ignore that clock because it's not right and it has not been right since it was purchased and placed in this home. So I don't have anything to say of importance. Really, I just want to put stuff on my YouTube channel. People always tell me, this is gonna sound conceited, I am a Leo, but I am not conceited. Don't let people fool you. People tell me all the time that I should be on TV or doing it. People want me to make like a YouTube channels and things like that. And I'm like, that's great, but listen, you have to do this stuff a lot, and I don't really record a lot. Like lately I haven't been feeling like taking selfies because I think that I am not selfie ready. So my Instagram has been, it used to be way more active, but now like I have to push myself to do things to it, but I do post. I post on Twitter every day, basically. And so from there, it gets me into the Instagram. I have a Tumblr. I have all this stuff, like all these social medias. Is that a thing? Medias. I don't know. My face is like really shiny right now, and I'm looking at it. Some of this is highlight. That's the shine, but my T-zone, honey, listen, she does the absolute most. This brush right here is from LA Colors, and I only got it because I ordered some other stuff and like you get free shipping, so I needed something else. And then this little brush is so cute. Look, it's little LA Colors. This is what the YouTube girls do, like this little LA Colors brush. I don't know what it's for. I use it for, I just love it. I don't know how to get it. And it was really cheap. Okay. And the reason I have that here is because I did my makeup to do absolutely nothing today. I was going to do some filming, do a little short film because I am an actor. I was going to do something special, but it didn't work out like that because procrastination, as well as didn't feel like it. I move when I'm told to move, like creative moves, things of that nature. I don't know what I'm talking about. Listen, it's 4 a.m. okay, and it's just normal for me to be up this late, but I don't know, I just feel like recording. I don't feel like taking off my makeup yet. I don't feel like taking off this wig. I don't feel like taking off this bra and going to sleep or whatever. I feel like talking. Most of my YouTube videos are of me ranting and talking. I don't know why. It could be because late at night everyone else is asleep, so I need someone to talk to, so I just talk to myself like I don't really know. And it's also good practice for hosting gigs as well as other things that I would love to do. So I'm gonna keep talking. There's no point to this video at all. My phone is actually on 10% right now, so that's gonna be fun to see how long it lasts before it dies. I hope I'm not saying anything important, you know, 'cause that was a lot. So how's everyone doing tonight? I would love some engagement on my page. Like, people used to comment. I used to have a video that had over 200,000 views, and I removed it because they were giving me a hard time about the music in it because one of the guys that wrote it, I don't know, it was a whole thing, whatever. But people used to engage so much that it was annoying to me. That I didn't plan to be a YouTuber or anything like that. I just posted my natural hair journey because that's what people did, and it was like 2009 or something like that. So then I came back, and I really don't know what to talk about on the YouTube. So I would love some engagement. You can hit me up on Instagram, you can hit me up on Snapchat, you can hit me up on Twitter, you can hit me up on Musical.ly. I have one of those now, and that's fun. You can hit me up on Tumblr or down in the YouTube comments. I would just love some engagement of some type. I feel like I'm posting just to post, which I am. I definitely post just to post, because the videos just sit in my phone and I just want to give them away. Like, what I'm gonna do with it? I don't know. What I'm gonna do with the video? I don't know. Just sitting here talking. This shirt is a lot right now because it's see-through, but I don't know. I feel like a lot sometimes, so it's fitting. This is so distracting to me. This beautiful mirror and these lights, it looks so heavenly. I should have probably stood like this, but then this clock is so distracting to me because in this, it's like a whole nother world. Like something's gonna, I don't know, I overthink things sometimes. And it's 4 a.m. and I should be asleep because I've been up since this morning, I believe. I don't really remember. And if I stay up any longer, I'm going to want to eat. And if I eat this late, my boobs are going to get even bigger than they are. Because that's what's been happening lately. So, I say I'm going to go to bed, but I feel like I'm going to have something else to talk about. Something I want to talk about. And I don't know what that is. But anyway, you don't have to, I don't know what I want from you guys. I just feel like talking and posting videos. And everybody has a short attention span. So, if you have a short attention span, follow my Musical.ly. And those are really short videos that I post all the time. Follow my Instagram because I post little short things there as well. And in my Instagram stories. I don't use my Snapchat, but I keep it because sometimes I like the filters. And sometimes people want to snap me and I don't know why. And my Twitter as well, I post a lot of stuff. Like, you should really follow my Twitter if you really want to know anything about me. That's the place you should follow me because I've been an avid user since 2009. I get things done on that little app. Yeah, and my YouTube or whatever. I'm going to try to post here more. I just tend to forget things. I do have Facebook, but it's personal. I have another business Facebook, but I haven't posted there yet because I don't have any cute pictures to post there because I want to get professional ones done. So, hey, if you know somebody that does that, let me know. If you have any ideas for anything, let me know. If you're in New York and you film stuff, let me know. If you're in North Carolina and you film stuff, let me know. I'm in both of those places a lot. I'm based out of New York, so I don't know. Is this an introduction to me? I feel like that's late. Like, I've had like 5 videos up already. Like, why would I just be introducing myself now? I don't know what I'm talking about. Just talking to talk. The email just dropped down and I'm like distracted because I'm obviously a 4-year-old. And this wig is getting itchy. If you want to know anything about this wig as well, I can let you know. I know I have a lot of ladies that follow. I don't know who watches these things. I don't know what country you're from. Bienvenidos. If you're from a Spanish-speaking country. I do want to do some videos in Spanish because I've been working on my Spanish. And it's it's getting really good. Like, you should go to my Instagram and click my little circle that says en español, and it's things of me speaking in Spanish. I'm really trying to learn and branch out more of the Spanish because I'm really good. Muy bien. That being said, I'm going to end this video. I'm going to bid you all adieu. I'll see you the next time I feel enough energy to want to record. Yeah, I hope it's entertaining enough. I don't think I'm that entertaining. I think I'm kind of boring, to be honest. But only I can say that. No one else can say that because that's rude if you say it. But if I say it, it's self-deprecating humor and you should laugh. Well, I can laugh at myself. I don't care how you feel about it. And I will see. Ooh, I just lifted my wig, child. I forgot it was not connected, and this baby is not paying down. She is loose. She is loosey-goosey. She has an agenda. Mama wants to work. I feel you, sis. I want to work, too. Mama needs a comb. That's what Mama needs, and a spritz of water. If you really want to get into it, because she is looking thirsty and rambunctious. But she got some bounce though. Anyway, we're not going to talk about my wig in third, first, second. personification of the wig is not about to happen, okay? Okay, me? Okay, me. Anyway, I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna try to post more. Hopefully I can get some footage this week because I plan on being social because it's warmer now, but I don't really like to socialize outside. I don't know why. Something's wrong with me. Anyway, I'm antisocial, but I'm a social butterfly at the same time. I'm outgoing, but I'd rather be outgoing in my house. I'd rather go out than come back in. I'd rather go out and go back in the house. Okay. Now I'm rambling as I normally do. I will talk to you guys later, and thank you for watching. If you stuck with me throughout this whole video, you are a special type of person and you deserve all the good things in the world, and I want you to have all the happiness and all the love you can stand, to the point where you need a break from it because it's just so overwhelming. And I really wish that for you, and all the peace and love and joy and all your dreams and prayers come true. Thank you for watching. Watch some more. Talk to me, people. I will talk back. I'll go live one day, maybe. I don't know. I'm not going to make no promises. Okay, thank you. My phone is dying. All right. See you guys later.